I'm Paige, and today I'll be taking you through Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in Word. For these tutorials, we'll be using the free version of Microsoft's 365 Copilot Chat, which can be found inside your application. Writing in Word doesn't have to be stressful. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat makes it easy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to create content, improve your text, and summarize long documents, all with Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. First, let's start with drafting. Click the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat icon in the sidebar and give it your instruction. In this case, we're going to ask it to write a 2-paragraph report on the benefits of renewable energy and hit send. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will generate a draft for you. Copy and paste it into your document and make sure you make the necessary edits. If we need more structure to our document, let's try asking it something like, create an outline for a proposal on improving our university's carbon footprint. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will give you a clear framework to build on. Copy and paste it into your document before making the necessary changes. Next, let's polish our writing. Highlight your text, copy it and paste it into your Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, where we're going to tell it to rewrite this in a clearer and more professional way, and hit send. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will give you an improved version, and once it's been approved and you're happy with it, you can put it back into your document, letting it be ready to go. Next, let's make it a little bit more academic, and we're going to ask it for academic citations on this section. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will provide citation ideas, and you can copy them and format them using the Words References tab. Finally, let's make this long document easier to read. We're going to highlight the document, copy it, and paste it into our Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. We're going to say summarize this document into an executive summary with key points. I'm going to hit send. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will give you a concise version. You can paste it at the top of your document, send it to your colleagues, or even just keep it for yourself. With Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, Word becomes your writing partner, helping you draft, refine, and summarize in minutes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in Word.